Daley Blind. Van Persie with an early run, he's onside this time! It's 1-1!
Passeert Chivo, overname Saudi-Arabië. Bijna 5 minuten gespeeld. Owairan met een goede ren. Owairan, ja, die kan wel iets even. Doet één ding te veel. Nee.
Koupe to take. And Rodriguez! What a strike!
Don't try this yourself. It's extremely dangerous.
He'd actually in an offside position if it's delivered to him yet. But still, Badger. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes! What a goal by Badger!
Seaman's been beaten. It's a goal. It's Ronaldinho. He scored direct from the free kick.
They're going to score. This is Edilson. Deflected, Edmilson! Oh! How about that? The defender comes forward and that is one of the goals of the World Cup.
Baurma.
A fantastic run that frightened the Argentinians and a most unerring finish.
Sócrates, Serginho da grande área. No desvio, Paulo Isidoro. Vai pra jogada individual. Preferiu o Falcão, tem liberdade. Éder, olha o tiro.
Cambiasso, Mascherano, Maxi Rodriguez forcing it wide. Here's Sorin, Cambiasso. This is where Argentina can be very patient indeed. I've watched their youth teams do this. Just play the ball endlessly around the edge of their opponent's penalty area, then suddenly break with devastating consequences. Saviola, Cambiasso. Cambiasso! They've done it! They've done it! And scored a fantastic goal!
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no
speelt de bal. Heel goed naar Dennis Bergkamp. Dennis Bergkamp neemt de bal aan. Dennis Bergkamp! Dennis Bergkamp! Dennis Bergkamp! Dennis Bergkamp! Dennis Bergkamp!
That's a great goal! That is a fantastic goal by Maxi Rodriguez! What a hit!
Looking for Lampard. Breaks here for Joe Cole. Oh, brilliant! Just brilliant! He's having an inspired game.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We are heroes tonight.
Yes, it would be cruel to say it, but giving away a 2-goal advantage can only happen once in the 1970 World Cup.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Marcando, pisa la pelota para Bola. Arranca por la derecha del genio del fútbol mundial. Y es el tercero que va a siempre Maradona. Genio, 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 ta, 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 ta.